Yo, what's going on,
Salute, Red
boys?
Ball.
Back in another trade recap today. Took a small loss today on the eval and the express. Uh, there were mistakes that we will go over, but let's do the verse today. I've already done this verse, but I just wanted to do it because it talks about patience, and that's semi what we lack today. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Now, just stay patient in hard times, especially. Stay faithful in prayer, of course. And, yeah, that goes with the charts as well. Stay patient and waiting for your setup. And, yeah, it'll pay off. Let's get into this recap. There's no face cam today because my shit's currently broken. So, but it'll be fixed in the next video. But today was midday, pretty midday. For the bias starting off, I did want to see these hourly highs get taken, which they did. For some reason, I didn't want them to get taken out market open because I wanted to long to this level, and they ended up getting taken out market open, and that just screwed up everything. So it was also witch day, which I just learned about like today, which is when like a bunch of options contracts expire. So market dumps happens like every third Friday of is it third Friday of the month, right?
Yep.
I want to check if it did that for May. What day was a Friday in May? I don't give a shit actually. Wait. May. I don't know. So yeah, options expired, so market dumped. Same with stocks. Stocks were down today as well, but the move up would have been towards 11, and then we just got stuck in this range till close. But what I really wanted today was longs, and so initially coming to market open, like I already said, we swept all these highs, and I did still have more highs marked out that I thought we'd come up and take. So we did go long on ES here. It wasn't the best long. NQ was already at the objective, and there was an SMT at the highs. I just didn't think it would hold, but it clearly dumped, as we could see, and not a good setup. It was not a good setup. Our draw was already taken, so it was not. But de-risked on that to the slow after it went up a little, so only lost 140 on that on the combine. Only took one trade on the express and two on the combine. But so after we take that trade on ES, on NQ we just start dumping and dumping and dumping. After that loss, I wanted shorts off this for value gap here. Never end up getting tapped into, and as you can see, my full TP would have been hit, so it's a bit unfortunate. But I saw a lot of people with the same thing today. Everyone wanted that trade, but it didn't happen. So after that, I wasn't sure. We were coming to equilibrium of this entire range of this move up here, and I wasn't sure if we reject it. I thought that we'd reject this hourly fair value gap, honestly, and I wanted to see that get tapped into coming into today. But clearly we didn't reject it. So once I saw some sell side swept and an SMT created here at 3-minute inverse, I did enter longs here. Ended up getting stopped out pretty quick, honestly. Only thing I would say for this is just a bad. After that we were done, but just a bad not enough patience for today, because if we just let the market do its thing, dumped these Asia lows down here, we could have found a clean ass long to these highs, to whatever you wanted to target. I would have targeted this right here, but could have got clean long to these highs up here, but we didn't wait, and that's where patience comes into play. So always remember to just be patient, stay patient for your model. I wouldn't say that today was necessarily a bad day for the market, but we definitely could have still caught this trade here. I did say I was gonna get off the charts at 11:15, but I just got off after the second loss, which is perfectly fine. Good risk management. Still up on the week on the Express, so I'm cool with that. And yeah, I don't really got much else to say, but I would just say we just gotta stay patient, and that's honestly it, because we've been really following every other rule. Next week I can't trade at all. It's kind of like annoying. I don't know. I may trade PM, but we'll see. Monday, bro, we got good ass news all week next week. That's awesome. I think this price will probably be good. Holy. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
I won't slack on the recaps next week.
Yeah, you shouldn't. I don't know. See what happens. That's it for today, boys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.